All right, Emmy Vetros here. I'm going to be showing you how to make crazy money this new year, this January. So watch me now. So we have a 100k balance. The goal here is to 10x or 20x or 30x or even 40x our money. So let's go. So we're going to use our colors because the new update is on the rainbow color, which is very effective. I mean, extremely effective. So this is a new season. So we kicked off at 00001. So we're kicking off in a new season. So we made analysis. So watch this. So we're going to mix up different colors. So we're going to mix up the rainbow 3 plus, the rainbow 2 plus, okay, the winning color. We're going to mix up all those things because the goal here is to have an insane and a very effective win. Okay, so we put in 3 plus blue and 3 plus green. That's green, winning color blue, winning color green. So watch this. Right, so if you're new to this if you're new to this channel, or this is the first time seeing this video, so this is called Fun Ninja. Is an online casino game. So watch this. Watch, you can see just one game. So we've made 90% of money. We've kicked over 100k night at 190. Okay, so this is an online casino game called Fun Ninja, and you make profit by predicting the future results. So we predicted that result or this result gonna occur. Okay, and you see we won the game. Okay, so we're gonna repeat the same process. Okay, make analysis, keep doing it till we hit at least maybe 2 or 3 million in this game in a very short time. So we're gonna go and so we won draw 10. I told this is a new season, so it goes for 0 down to 99. Then repeat itself again. So watch this. So we have 3 plus green and 3 plus red. All right, so watch this again. So we put in 75k, 75k each. So watch this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Boom, boom. Are you seeing this? All right, so that's a win. All right, so we're going to repeat that same process again. All right, so watch this. You can see that we're increasing our money. So if you follow my formula, okay, there's a concept to this. There's a strategy that works every single time. All right, so what the strategy does, it teaches you how to make analysis. If you don't understand how it works, you're gonna keep losing money. A lot of people have lost millions trying to do this on them on their own way. But now I have a concept that works very effectively. So watch this now. So there's 3 plus blue, 3 plus red. So this is the dominant color system. So it has been upgraded. This is a new update and it's working effectively. So I'm going to make more videos on this particular concept because it's very effective, extremely accurate. So watch one again, 3 plus red, swap 505k. So watch this. So you want to learn this, okay? You want to learn this concept, all right? Because I'm going to keep winning. I'm not going to lose a single game. That's how effective and how accurate my formula is. I'm not going to lose a single game. I'm going to keep winning because the pattern I'm using is very effective. Once you follow the pattern, you're just going to keep making profit over time, over time, over time. All right. So you want to join me and let's start making money this new year. Okay. All you have to do, just hit me up on WhatsApp. WhatsApp the number on your screen. Then you get access to my course, my class, my tutorial. It's all available. Okay, it's not free, it's available. Then I can jumpstart you on how to do this. The little capital, if you have 50k, 100k, 10k, you can do it. Even the 1,000 naira, you can actually make profit. So watch this. You can see it came out 2 plus what red, and you can see up 757k. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. So the goal here is to make at least, let's see, at least 4 to 5 m. We've increased our body was 2 m. Let's see how long we can go. Okay, so that's how stable. So this is not just one time win. This is not locked off. This is based on pattern. So draw 1 3. So we use the pattern repetition. So we'll go again. So we'll load up. Very easy. So easy for you. See, it's 100k now. We're going up to over a million in a very short time. Okay, in a very short time. So watch this. 2 plus red again. So watch 3 2 1, and there it comes. So watch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 came out 4 plus red. As you can see, we won 1.1 million. We've reached a million already. See, these are easy. So let's triple this. Okay, so very easy. You can see we're able to do this without losing, and I'm putting every single thing. That's how stable and how accurate the concept is. Okay, so I want to join my master class. Okay, it's a live web class. I show you step by step how to make analysis, predictions. Okay, staking plan, the rest. hit me up on WhatsApp, you get access to my class. Or if you want it to try itself, it's all available. You can start making profit with it. So going 2 plus blue, okay. So 1 point. No, this time I'm going to make 50% of a stake. So watch this. So 2 plus blue, definitely going to win this game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, boom. 1.7. You can get. You can actually. This can be your. This can be your own dashboard. Okay, you don't need big amount of money. Once you get the concept itself, you fund a little amount of money, 10k, 50k, 30k, 100k, or 200k, 500k. You can start doing this on a daily basis. Like this, how the system doesn't go offline. It's always on, like every single day, every single minute. Keep giving out results. So mine is to show you, okay, how to manipulate, okay, and start take your own portion and start making profit. It's that simple. So we're up again. So we're up. So let's go. So we go back to the Monday, the beginning we kicked off, we had the pattern we're using. Okay, so what we do, just check out signals. Any signal we see that's effective, we just see those signals. You can see, put in 500k 3 plus green, 500k 3 plus blue, and watch, boom, 3 plus blue. Here it is. You can see we're up 2.3 billion. Okay. Whew. So we've gone 20x. Okay, 10x was a million, 20x was 2. So let's go 30x now. Okay, so as you can see, you can 20x, you can 30x your money. Okay, so let's go. So next draw, which is going to be draw 017. I'm going to repeat the same process again. Okay, all right, so still have time. So let's go. 2 plus, let's go, let's add up. 2 plus green, let's go. Okay, so we're up. So now we're going to make at least 50% of that money. Let's go. Watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, came out 3 plus. You can see we won 3.5. Okay, 3.5. So let's go. So now it's 018, 018. So 018. So 018. Let's go. So as you can see, we're up with 30x. So now let's go. Let's go 40x or 50x. So let's go. So let's see. Let's hit 5 million. That's the goal today. Now let's hit 5 million. So now with this formula, you can actually do it. You can want to go up to 10. You can actually. I'm just showing you. This is how easy it is once you get the formula. It's not easy. If you try it on your own, if you test run it, you'll not lose. But I've been doing this for a very long time. I know when to come in and when not to come in. Okay, so watch this. Watch. Boom. I seen it. Very, very easy. You just hit that target. 50x a capital. So hit me up on WhatsApp and peace.